Good morning students, I am your computer teacher JP Gupta sir. I have brought new video for you. In this video I will start your new chapter HTML5. In this video we shall cover the following point. First point is introduction to HTML, second is HTML editor, and third is creating a web page using the HTML editor. So student, let us start with our first topic, introduction to HTML. So student, here we shall try to understand what HTML is and what is the use of HTML. HTML is a high level programming language which allow the user to create the web page. The web page that you see on the internet. So this language is most widely used to design the web content in the form of text and graphics for the internet. The full form of HTML is Hypertext Markup Language. So student, we shall try to understand what is the meaning of hypertext. Hypertext is a word or phrase which is available on the web page and displayed in blue color or underline. Actually, this word or phrase is linked to another documents of web page. Means whenever you click on it, it will bring you to the next page. So this word or phrase is known as hypertext. Second is markup language. So HTML is called markup language because this language uses the different tag to design the web page, which instruct the browser how to display the text on the web page. Next is be required two basic tools to work with the HTML document. First is HTML editor. This is used for creating and saving the document. And second is browser student. Browser is a program which is used for viewing the HTML document. So after that, your next topic is creating an HTML document. So to create the HTML document, following steps are taken as it is shown in your book also. First step is that to open the Notepad application, we have to click on Start button. Then we choose the All program. Then we have click on Accessories and then Notepad application. Whenever you click on the Notepad window will appear. Now we type the HTML code as we want to design the HTML document according to our need. After finishing the typing the code, we have to save the file also student. To save the file, we have to go to the file menu and choose the save option. Whenever you click on the save options, save as dialog box will appear. Now we type the file name with the extension .html. So student, don't forget to give the extension name .html because then computer can recognize that this is the document of HTML language. And now we click on save button. So student, next heading is viewing an HTML document. To view the recently created web page, we can use any web browser like Google Chrome, Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox, and etc., which is installed in your computer system. So first of all, open the web browser, and then you can use shortcut key Ctrl+O to open the HTML file. Whenever you press Ctrl and O key, open dialog box will appear, and now you can select your desired HTML document from the list and click on open button. Whenever you click on the open button, now the document